Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can change name on Grok AI. So this works for web browser or your mobile phone app on Android or iPhone. So let's get straight into it. First thing what you need to do is go here to your profile picture and go to settings. After here in web browser, it will open up here your name and next to it manage button. On your mobile phone, you will see next to the picture a small pencil icon. So you will click on that on your phone and a new uh, page will appear. So if we click here on web browser, this button manage, it will open up this website, this new page right here. So where we can edit our name. If we click edit name, we can we can change first name and last name, and this is also the same as on your phone. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.